I have to say, make revolution, stepped up this time. Make revolution, stepped up this time. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, what are we gonna do? We're gonna review and try on the new Conceal and Define Makeup Revolutions foundation. Now you guys know that the concealers came out some time ago, a couple months ago, and they went viral. Everyone was loving them. I did like them and I did review them, so if you didn't check out that video, I will put a link up here, or just click on the tab that's showing up here and you can watch that just to see what the concealers were like. But if you haven't seen them, then where have you been? Because everyone knows about them. And now we're going to review the foundation. So I do have 3 foundations here, and I did get one of their supersized concealers. Before we get right into that, if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Belle. Welcome and thank you for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my videos. If you're already subscribed, then thank you for coming back, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now, I read on the website what the undertones were like before I bought them, and these 3 were like the closest to suit me, but then again, with the concealer, the shades were a bit funny, so I'm not sure how these will work. Fingers crossed that I have a shade. Now, I've already primed my face. I'm actually a bit nervous. I'm excited but nervous to try these foundations because I'm just hoping I find my shade. But anyway, I'm going to start by swatching them just on my face. We'll start off with the darkest shade, which is F14. Okay, wow. These ones are obviously huge, as you can see. Doe foot applicator. And it makes it easier to apply the foundation, so let's have a look anyway. Okay, so I'm not sure about this one, but it feels nice going on my skin. I'm a bit red here, I don't know why, but anyway. So that's F14. We're going to do F13.5 now. This is F13.5. So I would say this has more of a neutral undertone. This one's probably a bit of a cooler undertone. F13.5, I would say this is a cool undertone. I don't remember what they described it as on the website, but what I can see in person, I would say that F14 is neutral, F13.5 is cool, and let's go in with F13. Okay, so obviously this is warm golden undertone. It's a lot warmer than the others. Now these are the only colours that I have, and looking at all of these, I can already tell that none of them is a shade for me, which I'm not happy about, of course, which is always something that we are concerned about when we go and buy makeup from drugstore, because it's hard to find a shade that looks right on you, and the undertones are always messed up. They get it wrong often. Good try to Makeup Revolution, but I can't see my shade at the moment. I've been told that it oxidizes, so I don't know which one to work with. I think I'm going to have to go in with that, which is F13, just because of the golden undertone. But I'm going to have to mix it with something else. Fingers crossed we're doing this together, yeah? So I'm going to go in with... C13 first, which is the lightest shade that I have. Obviously it's not my colour, but I didn't have a colour, as you guys could see. So I'm just going to have to mix this foundation with C14. I don't have a choice. C13.5, I don't know if that's really... yeah, no. It's too cool. So I'm going to mix it with C14 and let's see what we come up with. Guys, I was honestly hoping that I would have a foundation shade, but it's just hard, isn't it? Like, it's hard. For those of you that do have a shade, happy days, but people like me, I don't have one. I'm going to use the Real Techniques brush to blend this out. Okay, so it blends really well. It looks really nice actually. Very easy to blend. The colour, of course, is not looking great because, as I said, I don't have my shade here, but the only reason why I'm still going ahead with it is so that you guys can see what it looks like on the skin, how it applies, etc. And then you can make up your mind if you want to buy it. It is blending out really well. I look ashy. I look really ashy. I look so ashy, man. What is this, man? I'm going to go back in with C13 to bring back some warmth. And I'm just going to do it in the high points of my face. And this time I'm going to use a beauty blender to buff it out. Okay, so I feel like the beauty blender does give it a more flawless finish. And I'm not gonna lie guys, it does look really nice. It looks really nice. I just wish that I had a shade for me, but I don't. It's a struggle. It's a bloody struggle, mate. Right, okay. So if I look here, it's because I'm just looking at my monitor to see if it looks the same as it is in person right now. In person, the finish is, I'm not gonna lie, it's actually really nice. It's a matte finish, semi-matte finish. To be honest, I don't usually use matte foundations. The foundations that I go for, they're not dewy, but they're not completely matte, and it looks more like just a healthy glow to your skin. I can't explain it, but with this, there's no shine, there's no sheen. If you do see it, it's just because the light's hitting my face. My chest is really red, so don't mind that. The colour, like I said, it's not my shade, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm really liking this colour. I mean, I'm really liking the foundation itself. The foundation, look guys, I'm gonna zoom it in so you can see a bit more. So the foundation, as you can see, it looks really good on the skin. I'm liking this foundation. I'm really liking it. It looks so nice on my skin. It's £9. You can't go wrong with £9, guys. Yeah, really, really good. Really, really good. And you know what? If it doesn't work out as a foundation, I'm going to use it as a concealer. So I'm really happy with how the foundation looks on my skin. It looks really, really nice, guys. I don't like the colour. I think in the winter, I might be able to get away with this. But we're going to go into highlight and contour. So I'm going to use C16. I've still got the old concealers, so I'm going to go in with that today. Keep it in the family. Recently, my skin has been really dry, but at the moment, I'm still liking it. I haven't used this concealer in a while, but I will be honest, I do like the way it's looking right now. And obviously because it's made out of the same, within the same family, shall I say, it is blending together really well. If you guys have been sleeping on Makeup Revolution, then you better wake up, because you can see my skin is looking flawless at the moment. The only upsetting thing is that the colours were not that great, but I have to be honest, once I put my concealer and everything on, it's coming together really well. Guys, who agrees with me? How flawless am I looking right now? My skin looks amazing. For drugstore, it looks really nice. I'm taken aback a little bit. It does look so flawless. My skin looks so nice. The foundation is sitting pretty. I mean, I don't know what to say. Obviously the colour is still not all the way there, but it's still looking really good. If you have oily skin, you will like this foundation because it's a semi-matte finish. It's not dewy, there's no shine or anything. If you have dry skin, I think it will still be fine for you. You just make sure you use a moisturiser. So I'm going to do the rest of my face, finish it off, come back and we'll have a chat about it. See you soon. Okay guys, so I'm back with my face fully complete, and I have to say, although the colours in the beginning I was not feeling confident about, and again we didn't get my exact match to my chest, shall I say, I'm pretty pleased with the finished look. I have to say, Makeup Revolution really stepped it up with this one, and this foundation I would definitely say is booming. And the concealers blend really well with the foundations because obviously it's made up within the same family tree, and I'm loving it right now. I've not felt this way when wearing a drugstore foundation before, and I don't usually wear drugstore foundations. I haven't worn a drugstore foundation in years. I tend to wear NARS, Bobbi Brown and Lancome and Makeup Revolution. This might have to be my new everyday foundation because it's only £9. The high-end ones I can keep for special occasions, but this is it right now. And I have to say, I'm very, very impressed. If you haven't already got your hands on it, make sure you go out and get it. But that's it guys, I really hope you enjoyed this review, this video. Let me know what you think. What do you think guys? Do you think it looks good? Do you think the colour looks okay? It's not all the way there, but what do you guys think? Give me your opinion, I do want to know. So please leave a comment down below. I will leave everything in the description bar so you guys know what I'm using and what to get, etc, etc. If you guys have any questions, just drop it down in the comment section. And thanks again for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please make sure you subscribe before you tune out of the video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.